Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today guys, I want to show you I'm harvesting a squash. And if you watch some of my previous video, how I actually show you guys how to increase your squash or zucchini production. And I want to show you guys after doing an extreme pruning to my plant, how effective the pruning is and how beneficial for just pruning a couple leaves are going extreme pruning if you have a plant that require that. Alright guys, if you look right here, this is one of my squash plant, and as you guys saw in my previous video, I did some extreme pruning, cutting all the way up, because remember, these squash plant will run and whoa, look at that guys. So but after extreme pruning guys, I cut off leaves all the way and stop. Sorry about the light, the sun. I stop all the way before my fruit. And you guys can see massive squash guys. I'm about to cut it, and I do have more. If you guys can see, I do have more male flowers, so hopefully at the end over there I'm gonna get more female flowers coming in soon, so I could get more production. Make sure your plant is taken care of, and do some pruning. Cut off a couple leaves behind. It wouldn't hurt your plant, it will just help you produce more. I just wanted to show you guys it actually worked. This is 100% proof. This plant never used to produce like that much, and now it started producing really good. This is, I think, my number 4. This is number 4 squash from this plant within weeks, guys. I'm gonna leave the links to both of the videos that I did before that I get my squash plant going, guys. Even if you have a tough, hard squash plant that don't produce, always die, even if you add all your nutrition, your compost, your soil, whatever you did, guys, and it's still not growing, you have to prune, guys. So make sure take off a couple leaves from the plant, from the beginning of the root. It helps the air flow, it helps the bee pollinate. You can water easy, you get no disease, and all your energy, as I said guys, it flows and it comes straight down to your vegetables, guys, and you could harvest much faster. And I just wanted to show you guys it actually worked. And another thing, when you're harvesting, I'll show again, I always come close up, guys, and then I'll cut it up right there. So after you cut it out, this one leaf that was right there, guys, I'll just come close by and I'll just take it out. Literally, I don't need it. Toss that away. So you could see I have my male flower. I have male, and I have a lot of leaves. I do have a couple of leaves. I have, if you count all the small leaves and stuff, I do have a bunch of leaves. So more energy now is gonna flow through. Whoa, this thing is heavy. So this is a white yellow squash. Could have picked this 2 days before, but I actually grow this for my pig. My piggies, he will enjoy this squash, guys. So there you go. Thank you, guys. I just wanted to make a quick follow-up video to show you guys my pruning technique actually work if you have a plant that's really stubborn and wouldn't grow or produce anything. So check out the videos I'm going to be posting up right there, and go ahead and try some pruning. And if you could try the extreme pruning, if not, just take 3 to 4 leaves off from the beginning, guys. It really helps a lot for your plant. So try it out, and leave me a comment below. Let me know how it goes, and let me know when you guys will start seeing result or harvesting.